I just love baseball. My hometown team, of course, is Baltimore. It was always so joyful to go to the stadium with my daughter and watch them play. One Christmas, my daughter, she says, "You're going to fantasy camp. I've never gotten a greater gift." No matter how many times I go out on that field, it's like doing it for the first time. Playing with and being coached by former Baltimore players was an unbelievable experience. I've done it for 5 years, and I love it. I have had a fear that I would never be able to play ball again. I found that my hips were starting to give me a problem. My primary care nurse practitioner recommended Orlando Health. There was pamphlets of all the surgeons. I looked at Dr. Rust, his interest in sports. I said to myself, that's the man I want to see.
When Sal came to see me, he had two very arthritic, very painful hips, and it was pretty rough to watch, so it was obvious he needed a joint replacement surgery. Robotic surgery has really elevated the expertise in the area and allowed us to put the replacements in a very precise way.
When I came out of surgery, the pain was immediately gone. It was amazing how I felt. I told Dr. Rust, I want to know what my restrictions are. He said, you only have one. You're not allowed to slide.
Watching Sal be able to get back out on the baseball field and relive some of his dreams, that's the reason that we get into this field in the first place. It's extremely rewarding.
Orlando Health turned my life around, enabled me to do what I've always enjoyed most, and that's to get out and play ball.